Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. Oh, give me one more chance to make you satisfied, to keep you satisfied. Get it, Kotla. Vamos separando, Miguel. Welcome to my world. Won't you come on in? Miracles, I guess, still happen now and then. Step into my heart with your hand in mine, only just for you. Welcome to my world. Go against it. Here in Las Vegas. Wise men say only fools runs in. Sing it, if I can't help falling in love with you, shall I stay? Would it be sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Well, no one else can understand me when everything I do is wrong. You give me hope and consolation. You give me strength to carry on. And you're always there to lend a hand in everything I do. That's the wonder of you. When you smile, the world is brighter. You touch my hand and I'm a king. Your love of me is worth a fortune. Your love of me is everything.